Hawaii may look like paradise, but some of its magic remains hidden. Let me take you to 5 secret places across the islands, little pockets of wonder, far from the crowds. Ready to breathe in the beauty? Let's wander. Tucked along Maui's wild coastline, Waianapanapau's black sand glistens like tiny jewels in the morning sun. The waves here sing a softer song, and if you wander just a little further, secret caves reveal themselves in the lava cliffs. It's a place to let your footprints disappear, and your worries too. On the Big Island's northern tip, Pololu Valley waits, silent, endless, green. The hike down is steep, but at the valley floor you'll find a wild black beach, misty mornings, and the gentle sigh of ironwood trees. Sometimes the only company is the wind and a few wandering horses. High above the clouds on Kauai, Koke State Park is painted with emerald forests and secret trails. The air is cool, scented with rain and wild ginger. Find a quiet overlook, and you might just catch rainbows tumbling into the Waimea Canyon below. Where the land meets the endless blue, Kaina Point feels like the edge of the world. Walk along the sun-baked path and you'll spot native birds, sunbathing monk seals, and waves that seem to dance only for you. It's Oahu's wild side, gentle, untouched, and full of life. And finally, Honopu Beach, reachable only by swimming or kayak, framed by towering cliffs and golden sand. Here you'll hear nothing but your own heartbeat and the hush of the ocean. It's a place that keeps its secrets, offering them only to the truly curious. If this brought you a moment of calm, give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like more hidden gems like this, hit subscribe. We'll keep exploring together.